Hi guys, so I've got a little envelope here, a little happy mail, and this is from Angel Scott, and she's a lovely lady that I met through the Junk Journals Down Under Facebook group. And Angel, it finally arrived. This little envelope, it must be a week and a half, nearly 2 weeks ago. She messaged me on Facebook and asked if I got a little envelope, and every day I've been checking, where's my little envelope? And I don't know where this little guy went, but he must have gone around the world. It only went from, it went from Western Australia to, I'm in Sydney, New South Wales, but yeah, it took forever to get here. And look, he's so beaten up. He's got a hole and a rip in him. He's not even stamped, so I don't know what happened to this poor little guy, but let's open him up. I think Angel, I thought it must have got lost in the mail, but maybe it got stuck in the machine or something, because it's a bit chunky, you know, when it goes through the sorting machines. I'm not sure, but let's see. And thank you, Angel. She's already sent me some beautiful fabric not too long ago, so you didn't have to send anything else. Okay. Oh no, Angel. Oh, why did you send this? So cheeky. Okay, let me see the little card. Oh, she said to Bonny and Clive, thank you. Thought you could use these. I think they are rather cute. I love watching and supporting your Etsy shop and YouTube. Love, Angel and Mia. Mia is her little kitty. It's this super fluffy fluff ball. Someone said it was like a pom-pom, but yeah, beautiful little kitty. And she had one of these garment pins on a journal cover that she posted a picture of on Facebook, and I commented, oh, they're so pretty, I've never seen them like that before. And the cheeky little girl sent me some. I'm really too scared to comment on anything anymore because someone's always sending you something, but oh, look at these. These are awesome. These are little coat hangers. And then they've got little loops down here that you can hang stuff on. Those are awesome. Where did you find these? Oh, and this is the one that I commented on. Look at these. You sent so many as well. These little pins. When she made a journal cover, and I can't remember if it was a crochet doily or lace or something, but she had pinned this through on the cover and had little things dangling off these loops, and I had made a comment, I've never seen the garment pins with these loops on them before. And then she sent me some. That's so lovely. Thank you so much, Angel. I've never seen these. I don't even know how to open them. I'm a bit unco. Oh yeah, they're awesome. I've actually got some thoughts of what to do with these, but thank you so much. And I'm glad it didn't get lost in the mail. I'm glad it arrived. And I think lucky you put them in plastic, because the little envelope was open and some of these little guys might have fallen out. But they are adorable. They are so cute. Thank you so much, Angel. And sending me something. You're the one that's been like supportive of me, of my little Etsy and my YouTube channel, and so like I feel like I should be sending you something, not you sending me something. But thank you so much, and give me a big cuddle for me. She's a gorgeous, gorgeous little kitty. Thank you. Bye.